Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the DA32-10109W refrigerator temperature sensor at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This sensor is a reliable replacement part compatible with Maytag and Samsung refrigerators, designed to keep your appliance running smoothly by accurately monitoring and regulating the internal temperature. The DA32-10109W sensor replaces models AP41-36948, 166, 8645, and PS41-38701, ensuring seamless compatibility with a range of refrigerator models. Constructed from high-quality materials, this part promises durability and long-lasting performance, even under the daily demands of refrigerator operation. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to replace your faulty sensor without the need for professional assistance, which saves both time and money. One of the biggest advantages of this temperature sensor is its precise functionality, which helps maintain optimal cooling and prevents food spoilage. Its robust design means fewer replacements over time, making it a cost-effective solution. However, some users may find that the sensor requires careful handling during installation to avoid damage, and compatibility should be double-checked with your specific refrigerator model to ensure a perfect fit. Overall, the DA32-10109W refrigerator temperature sensor stands out as a dependable and efficient part for maintaining your Maytag or Samsung refrigerator's performance. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. Check it out and keep your fridge running like new.